everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and today we've got the sound system demo of the 2021 Lexus IS and its 17-speaker, 1800 watt max Mark Levinson audio system. Now today's going to be a little bit different from our standard audio system tests because I'm actually out filming our real-world highway fuel economy test on this car while I'm filming the audio test. We're a little bit strained on time with this car, so we're going to be efficient, we're going to make the best of everything, and listen to some of these sample tracks on the road, still show you how the sound system works, talk about its attributes and features, listen to those sample tracks, and I'll give you my thoughts at the end. So I can't really hop out and take a look at the car, but I can tell you that we always do these audio tests with high quality, uncompressed, lossless WAV audio files on a USB stick plugged directly into the system and two high quality binaural microphones in both my ears, giving you the most realistic audio system test experience available on YouTube. We also do these tests with the sound settings set to their factory defaults. So go over here to sound. We've got your standard treble, mid-range, and bass. We'll go through those here in a moment. We've also got front, rear, left, right, fader, and balance, an automatic sound levelizer, and a surround mode. Now, I'm going to do the test right now with the sound levelizer on and surround off, but I will toggle surround on later in the video and talk about the automatic sound levelizer. How much longer do we have left in this track? Okay, I think that's enough time. Let's go through and sample the sound settings. As you can see, the bass hits pretty darn heavy in this car. As I said, we have 17 speakers and 1800 maximum watts from the system, so there's speakers all throughout the cabin and a good, powerful subwoofer in the back. For audio inputs here in the IS, you got your standard AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, USB-A's, disk drive, and a 3.5mm auxiliary input jack in here with the USBs. So what does that mean you're missing? Nothing. This car has it all. Very nice to see from a high quality audio system to have all those inputs. For audio controls, you've got a volume knob right here. I wish it were a little bit deeper and that it had detents. It's just a smooth turning knob, but that's kind of a trademark of Toyota and Lexus. You also have volume adjustments here on the steering wheel. For track selection, you've got a few different options. You've got a tuner knob, you've got these Seek track buttons here that you can press. You've got buttons on the steering wheel for switching track. You can also use the screen, which, new for 2021 in the IS, is a touch screen. So not only can you use the trackpad and cycle through tracks, you can also reach up and touch. And let me tell you guys, that is such a huge advancement for Lexus systems. It was always so frustrating using this trackpad, but now that this is not only a touch screen, but a very high quality, nice to look at, nice to touch screen, oh my gosh, it completely changes how easy it is to use Lexus systems. You can just reach up, you can click around things, you go, oh, I want to change sound settings, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I want to go back to now playing. I want to switch tracks. You can even go into the map. You can do pinch to zoom, and look how responsive it is. It's very quick. You can go into the menu, go to your phone app. Now, it's nice that they still kept the touchpad because when I'm driving, I don't like to take my body away from the seat so much and my eyes off the wheel. So with the trackpad, once you kind of get used to how it works, you can simply click around using the trackpad and not have to take your hands off the wheel as much. Definitely nice that Lexus added that functionality. We'll listen to a few more sample tracks here. to cycle through our surround modes. So here's the surround off. I'm going to turn it on. It's just a little bit more of an artificial sound, a little more focused. Oddly, a little more forward. It kind of sounds like the sound's coming right from out of this front speaker with a few different accents around me. Back off, and then I'm going to turn the sound levelizer off, which the sound levelizer sort of balances all the different sounds throughout a song, kind of makes it one even volume. Let's see if you can notice a difference. What I've noticed in songs when turning the automatic sound levelizer on, it's more of a full, hearty, powerful sound. It kind of brings up the bass and the mid-ranges more, keeps the treble levels about the same, and it just makes for a more satisfying audio experience for me. Some of you may not appreciate it. You may think it's a tad artificial. It kind of depends on what sort of music you're listening to, but I think it sounds good. I'll leave it on for the rest of the test. For you savages, I'll turn the bass all the way up for this song. Let's see how much mirror shakage we get. Oh man, I am feeling it in my seat. I'm seeing it in the mirrors, both outside and inside. It's a very strong, very hearty bass. Pretty impressive for this price point. Turn surround on for the song. Now for frequent viewers of our channel, you know this next song can really test the limits of an audio system. So let's see how the Mark Levinson in the IS can handle it. Turn surround back off. really, really happy with the results of this song. I'm going to restart it and talk you through it a little bit here. So initially, the guitar, we're getting very crisp sounds coming through, very nice, very easy for any sound system to do this. Then the bass guitar comes in. Sound level doesn't change at all. It's a very satisfying, crisp, clean, mid-range bass. And then all the instruments come in and everyone sounds good. I'm hearing all the little accents I'm feeling on these low hits. Right there, I feel that in my seat. And then when everything comes in and the music gets really loud, many systems sound muddy, but this one does not. There's good high highs, low lows, and there's a powerful punch in the mid-range. Very impressed with that song. So wrapping up my final thoughts on the 17-speaker Mark Levinson system here in the IS350. Gotta be honest with you guys, it is really, really good. I would go as far as to say right off the bat here that this is the most impressive system I've heard in a small sedan to date. The only one that comes close, and I would argue is slightly better for only one reason, is the Bowers & Wilkins in the Volvos. But that's a larger car. The Volvo V70 is a larger car. I just think that system's ever so slightly more satisfying, and I think the car is more isolated, so that results in just an overall better sound, more isolated music sound at highway speeds. However, when you factor in ease of use, audio inputs, and overall crispness and cost for everything involved here in the IS350, I'd say this system deserves maybe a 9, possibly even a 9.5. If we're just speaking objectively for only sound quality, I gotta go with a 9. The systems in the larger SUVs just sound even better, even more powerful. But for a sedan, especially in this price point, sort of entry luxury, small luxury sedan, this is getting a 9.5, close to a 10. It really doesn't get much better than this. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, check out our other content on the brand new 2021 Lexus IS. Also check out our other sound reviews. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, all that good stuff. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor. Drive on.